Welcome to Mindful Spirits. This meditation video will provide you with tools needed to heal your anxiety and overcome obsessive thinking. I invite you to find a comfortable place to sit of your choice and bring your full awareness to your breath and simply allow your mind and body to relax. Anxiety is the result of focusing on the fear and focusing on the situation that has happened in the past or may happen in the future or may actually never happen. Thinking about and worrying about such obsessive thoughts associated with this type of anxiety can be debilitating and cause you to be stuck in a cycle of negativity and fear of events to come and anticipation of disastrous events. When you become aware of anxiety and overthinking, you can change the pattern of behavior and overthinking and overcome this type of anxiety so that you can allow yourself to relax and experience the sense of peace around you. It is super important to understand that if you have a tendency to overthink, then you are simply being a human. There is nothing wrong with it. You are hardwired to constantly seek solutions to problems. We also must understand that we have used our own intellect and mental functions to identify when we are spinning our mental wheels in vain and get out of this kind of thought pattern. An underpinning of a spiritual text that has greatly impacted my life, the Bhagavad Gita, is that we can find happiness and live our duty, our dharma, in life by focusing solely on our required labor and not on the fruits of our labor. Focusing on results can create stress based upon the uncertainty of the outcome. On the other hand, focusing on our work instantly puts us in the realm of something we can control. The result is less mental tension and improved ability to work through complex problems. It is used to break up old mental patterns and replace them with the new and empowering ones. This is your time to relax and release any recurring thoughts, any worry and anxiety about what could happen. Focus on your breath and see through your mind's eye to the tip of your nose. Be present with me right now. Allow your thoughts to pass and focus in the present moment. There is nothing wrong in being afraid, nothing wrong in worrying, but be connected with me with peace and tranquility. Focus on your breath and see through your mind's eye to the tip of your nose. Be present with me right now. Allow your thoughts to pass and focus in the present moment. There is nothing to be afraid of, nothing to worry about. Be connected with me with peace and tranquility. Soon you will be awakened to explore your obsession with me. Your anxiety will be completely controlled and will think about anxiety not as the obsession. Just allow to pass any doubt or thought that may be still racing in your mind. Stay with the breath. If you experience any anxiety, take a deep breath in, filling the lungs, and allow yourself to remain calm and exhale when you are ready. Now, your body is relaxed and your mind is calm. You are noticing longer gaps in between each thought. You are safe here with me. You are breathing nice and deeply. I'd like you to participate in the following exercise with me. Think about how you feel when you are consumed with anxiety about your obsessions. Take a moment and allow your feeling to rise, knowing you are safe and protected. I understand you feel stressed and anxious right now. And well, that's okay. It's okay to feel this way. It's quite normal sensation or concern. I would like you to remember that whether you feel anxious, whenever you feel yourself dwelling on small details and becoming increasingly anxious, you need to tell yourself that it's okay to feel this way, that it will soon pass. You begin to have recurrent, persistent obsession thoughts. Maybe you feel like you have touched something that contaminated and you feel the urge to clean yourself several times, or perhaps you feel the urge to obsessively count or arrange things in certain way. Whenever it takes you to that thought that are obsessing over you, do not perform the rituals. See yourself having obsessive thoughts but remaining in the same place and not doing so. Take a deep breath and feel calmer on every exhale. Take a deep breath and seeing the tip of your nose as you inhale and fill your lungs. Noticing now as you exhale deeply and slowly. Repeat another 2 times or until you know that you will be calm. You may still have some anxiety in other areas. If this is the case, use this breathing technique once again and choose to allow the thoughts and compulsion to pass. You will now continue to allow your anxious and obsessive thoughts to pass through your mind. Some thoughts may take longer time to pass than others. In this case, be patient and allow the time needed until you feel calm. You want to have complete control over these thoughts, and you do. You will begin to realize that you have the power over your mind, not the other way around. You begin to feel more confident as each day goes by. You are so excited at the prospect of being free of these obsessive thoughts. You know the anxiety is a part of life. You will feel whenever you will worry about future and what's next, but whenever the thought begins to be obsessive, you know how to take control over it. You choose to let all the worries pass and bring yourself back to the present moment. Tell yourself that you will deal with it when the time comes. You will be able to enjoy the world around you. You are happy and full of energy. You are in control of your thoughts and actions. Whenever your thoughts become obsessive, listen to this meditation by Mindful Spirits. Thank you so much for listening to us. Please share and subscribe our channel, Mindful Spirits.